Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast.
Hi, listeners. We are happy to have you here today.
Today we will practice simple English conversation.
Yes, and we will speak slowly for beginners.
Please listen carefully and enjoy the session.
Let's start with a small introduction.
My name is Alex.
And my name is Sarah.
We love teaching English.
And we love helping you learn with fun conversations.
Talking about daily routine.
Sarah, what time do you wake up every day?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
That's early.
Yes, I like waking up early.
I wake up at 7 a.m.
What do you do after waking up?
I brush my teeth and drink water.
Do you eat breakfast at home?
Yes, I eat eggs and toast.
That sounds healthy.
Morning activities.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Yes, I do yoga every day.
That is great for health.
What about you?
I go for a walk in the park.
Walking is very relaxing.
Yes, it helps me feel fresh.
I also love fresh morning air.
Do you listen to music while walking?
Yes, soft music helps me start the day peacefully.
Work and study.
When do you start your work?
I start at 9 a.m.
That's a good time.
What time do you start?
I start at 10 a.m.
Do you like your work schedule?
Yes, it is comfortable.
Do you study English daily?
Yes, I study for 30 minutes.
That's impressive.
Hobbies and interests.
What hobbies do you have?
I love reading books.
What kind of books do you read?
I read simple English stories.
That helps improve language skills.
Yes, reading is very helpful.
I enjoy listening to music.
What type of music do you like?
I like pop music.
Talking about weather.
How is the weather today?
It is sunny and bright.
I love sunny days.
They make me feel happy.
Do you like rainy days?
Yes, I enjoy the sound of rain.
Rainy days make me sleepy.
They make me want to drink hot tea.
Hot tea is perfect for rainy weather.
Yes, absolutely.
Food and drinks.
What is your favorite food?
I love pasta.
Pasta is delicious.
What about you?
I like rice and vegetables.
That is healthy and simple.
Do you like spicy food?
A little spicy is fine.
I love very spicy food.
Wow, I can't eat too much spice.
Travel and places.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling a lot.
Which place do you want to visit next?
I want to go to the mountains.
Mountains are peaceful.
Yes, I enjoy the fresh air.
I want to visit the beach.
Beaches are always fun.
I love watching sunsets at the beach.
Sunsets make me feel calm.
Motivation and learning.
Learning English takes time.
Yes, but every small step matters.
Practice a little every day.
Consistency is the key.
Don't worry about mistakes.
Mistakes help us improve.
Speak with confidence.
Believe in yourself.
Anyone can learn English with practice.
Yes, you can do it.
Thank you for listening to this podcast.
We hope you enjoyed today's session.
Keep practicing daily.
And stay positive while learning.
If you like this episode, support us.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel.
Each episode will help you improve English.
Join us again for the next lesson.
Take care and keep learning.
Bye, everyone. Have a beautiful day.